Hey, what is up, crew? We back at it. I just found out about this new website, Parade World. It connects skate shops and skate brands with skaters or longboarders, I don't know, just people who are into skate brands. And I've been trying to get some apparel from the skate brand Dime, based in Canada. Hasn't been working out for me, but I found out about this website, and so I picked up a couple different things. They all came from 3 different skate shops. So I picked up one. We'll open this one first. I don't even know which one is which, but we'll just open them up. This one is from One Up Skate Shop. They're in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So it's not even a Canadian seller, but it's a Canadian skate brand. So we'll go ahead, tear into this. You guys can subscribe if you want. I'm not big on, you know, trying to force people to subscribe or anything. You can do it if you want. I mean, I just want to show you guys different dope items, and we can all know what's legit, what's not legit out there, because there's a bunch of people trying to replicate these items and sell them as real. So we got to know what is real. So this did come with a receipt from Parade, not from the actual skate shop, or maybe it did. Maybe there's another receipt, or maybe not. Maybe it's just, yeah, it's just this cool picture. There we go. Good times. Just on a regular piece of paper. And then I went for this goat long sleeve tee. I could only find it in a size medium, so I'm hoping it's big enough, and it might be a little bit too short on the sleeves, but we'll find out here. So this was just so dope. I mean, look at that. This goat is on fire. Greatest of all time, right? But no, it's Dime. I'll go ahead and show you the tags. Looks like this was made in USA. Back of the neck, we got our tag with the sizing and some other information. Then you've got this plastic tag. Oh look, there we go. There's that skate shop I got it from. You go ahead and throw in a sticker on their tag. That's kind of cool. And there's the back of it. And then this Dime shirt here is just a tube upper, so there's not going to be any sort of tags on the sides or anything like that. And this is apparently Canadian sizing. No, I don't know. We'll find out. It's a medium. It looks wide enough for a medium. Very standard fit. I'm a little over 6 foot, about 135 pounds. I'm real super skinny. So let's just go ahead, throw it on, see how this one looks. And, alright. Yeah, it fits alright. I mean, the sleeves, they feel like they're a little bit short. Oh man, I've already got a black smudge on here. What's going on? I've already got black smudges on this new shirt. This shirt ain't new. This shirt's been sitting on a shelf. People have been trying it on. Look at that. Black smudge. Introduction to Dime with a black smudge. The length is nice for summertime. The width, it seems like it does have a good amount of room in there for a medium. It's not like oversized at all. This is pretty standard. I mean, the sleeve length, it might be a little bit longer than a regular medium. I mean, that's just based off of me and past mediums I've gotten that have been way too short on the sleeves. And this one seems like it's all right. I'd probably roll it up a little bit, just rock it like that. Maybe I'd layer it a little bit. You guys tell me what you guys think you would do with this shirt. But let's go ahead, break into the next one that I have from Black Sheep Skate Shop. Let's check this out. These bags are not opening up very well without cutting them open. I don't know what's up with that. Oh, share this content if you haven't already. Let's get the word out that we want to share legit items with each other. We want to be sneaker culture that's, you know, not scared to share our stuff, you know what I mean? Share our hype items we get. Okay, this one came in a plastic bag just for double waterproofing. And, I mean, sort of waterproofing. And then, let's see here, we have one receipt from Black Sheep, there it is. And then we have another receipt from Parade. And then we have, oh, look at this, bunch of stickers. So we have a card that is not a sticker, but then we have these other stickers from that skate shop. Look at those. Some dope stickers right there. Any of my raffle winners, make sure you contact me if you did win, because I'm not going to send it until you contact me. And if you want one of these Black Sheep stickers and you ask really nicely, and I haven't had other people ask already, I'll give you one of these Black Sheep stickers, no problem. And then here we go. That's it. There it is. I thought this was going to be embroidered. I'm really sad that it's just screen printing. Dime has some really cool apparel where they do embroidering of their logo. And I was really psyched to be able to get this one in this mustard sort of colorway. I mean, it says gold, but I feel like it's like a goldish mustard, maybe. I don't know. But looks like there is a hole in the bag. It's not that sealed up very well, but it's all right. They do what they can. There is a sticker tag down at the bottom. I guess I'll show you guys that here. Look at that sticker tag. So dope. And let's get it out. There we go. Sweetness. Okay, this is a size large, so we can kind of know the difference. Like this is a medium, right? So this one here is a large. I'll throw it on after I show you guys the tags. Both these tags are widely different. I don't know what Dime is doing, just going crazy with the different types of tags. And then we have just this white tag on here, just basic. And if you guys hear any noise in the background, it's just my wife walking around and taking care of our little 5-day-old foster boy. We got a call from the state. This little boy needed a home. He has methamphetamine in his system, and so we are trained to be able to take children who have been exposed to methamphetamines or whose parents are exposing them to it. And so we're taking him in, gonna help nurse him back to health. I mean, he's so tiny. He's only 5 days old. He weighs less than 5 pounds. But anyway, so if there's any noise in the background, you know, she's taking care of that little guy. So anyways, I'm gonna throw on the size large and we'll see how much the sizing changed from their medium. Oh yeah, this one, seriously, this is the fit I was hoping for. And I would have gotten the Fire Dime goat shirt in a size large if they would have had it. Obviously, like I said, they didn't. This large fits amazing, great. Just that extra room is so nice to have. It's just t-shirt material, nothing too special. And you got that Dime logo right on there. I do like how they did their logo, just, I don't know, there's something about it. It just looks cool, just subtle, nice for layering or whatnot, or just a summer shirt. And then now we'll get into the last one from 303 Boards in Boulder, Colorado. They decided to do a box for this one. I don't know, the other ones were just in bags because it's just, I mean, a t-shirt, but let's see if I can get this open here. It's like triple layer. I think they reused this box. I reuse packaging whenever I can, whenever someone wants to buy something from me. Basically everything I have is for sale or available for sale. If people really want it, you know, I trade around and whatnot. How am I supposed to just keep everything? That would be ridiculous. There's way too many items, but yeah, let's go ahead, break into this one. Oh, look at that. They put it in a little Ziploc bag that didn't zip all the way closed, or couldn't zip all the way closed because it's too crammed. But other than that, we have our receipt, and then they did load me up with stickers here. Look at this. We got our star goat sticker thing, kind of cool. We have real skateboards. Yeah, gotta be real out there. CLFX. There we go. What else? They like really loaded this box up. Land yachts. There we go. Bones. There we go. More land yachts. This one's kind of cool. That skull, it's like gold. Yeah, it's totally gold. And then 303 Boards, that skate shop that this actually came from. This one, this shirt graphic was so cool. Here is the sticker tag on this Ziploc bag. I don't even know if that means anything. It says socks, so obviously this was not supposed to come in this bag. I don't know. That skate shop probably just had this. Like I said, it was probably just a skate shop where they hang everything up and they expect people to come in and buy stuff, but with COVID, they can't do that. So Parade is one of the cool websites where they're connecting all those skate shops together, like I was saying at the beginning. And here is this one. It is a size large, I'm pretty sure. Yes, it's a size large. There we go. Oh yeah, this size large is a standard size large, maybe a little bit wider. The width on there was what I was saying was so much more. There's like this much extra width, 1.5 inches at least, on the body of the shirt. So this one is gonna fit nice and loose and oversized, which is all right. It's cool with me. I like oversized shirts. Oh, here's the tags on the back. I forgot to do that first, but there's that tag, size large. The back of it, some little sticker thing, because they probably just are selling it in their store. But yeah, look at that. Oh man, those aliens, they totally made the pyramids, don't you think? I mean, I don't know. But let's go ahead and we'll take this last one. We'll throw it on. All right. Yeah, this a little bit oversized. It's a size large. Again, a little over 6 foot, 135 pounds, whatever, kind of fluctuates. But man, I love this graphic. It is just something else. It's like this mushroom slash spaceship slash herbs on the side slash pharaoh cat sculpture slash dime. Oh man, I better stop slashing. It's a little bit too much, but I really like the color too. This sandy sort of green bluish color. It's pretty dope. But yeah, let me know what you think about these different Dime shirts that I was able to pick up. I was really glad to be able to grab a few just because, I I don't have any dime, and I just haven't been able to catch them on their drops. I just haven't really been keeping up with them. There's so many brands. It is really hard to keep up and try and just get everything. So thank you everybody who reaches out to me, who wants to sell me stuff at a good price, or is willing to trade around with me and things like that. I know it's kind of rough to trade around. I'll actually make people send me stuff first before I'll send out mine, because I want to legit check what they're sending me. And I have like 3 different sources that I use. I use Kicksworth. That's definitely a great website. Those guys at Kicksworth, kicksworth.com are really great. And then also I'm part of Soul Savvy, which is a very small community. You can find other sneaker communities where you guys trade around stuff. That one is a closed group, so you can't really get in. But like I said, there's a ton of different groups out there that can connect you. You just have to just be dedicated and do some research. I mean, I get blamed for not giving people all the information on this channel all the time because I'm not sharing all the research that I'm doing. I'm not writing a list down of what I need to say in the video. I just come on here when I get off work and have items, and I show them to you guys, and then I edit, and then I go to sleep. Like, I'm not doing this as a full-time job. It's just a hobby. I mean, I'd love to as a full-time thing. That might be something I'll do in the future. We'll see. But anyways, I do like to share positivity with you guys whenever I end a video or before I end. And I've been reading Robert Sapolsky's book the last couple of weeks. It's super long, crazy long book about how the nervous system works and basically the brain, the history of the brain and everything. But anyways, today I was reading at a really good point. It's in the 11th or 12th chapter. He says, we judge ourselves by our internal motives. We judge others by their external actions. Ooh, and that just hit me because I was just thinking, oh man, I'm thinking about myself being such a great person. I'm taking in foster children. I have great motives. I'm working towards a goal. I'm getting myself out there as an artist, showing that I do recognize other artists out there and I enjoy other people's artwork, and I enjoy creating my own artwork, and I want to share that with you guys. But then everybody else is judging me based off of my actions. And some people who see me might just think, wow, this guy just is all about spending money all the time or something like that. And that's not really who I am, but my actions may say that to people. So now when I'm feeling like I want to judge somebody, I'm thinking about what their internal motives are more, instead of just trying to read them based off their actions. And that's really hard to do. It's almost impossible in the moment to do that. But if you attempt it and you keep attempting and keep attempting, you create a habit for your brain. Basically teach your brain to think about what the other person is thinking about internally before you interpret their actions the way that you would just interpret them at face value. I mean, that is definitely hard. I mean, but we as humans are really smart, and I think we can continue to evolve, continue to become less savage and more accepting and just more understanding of what's going on around here. So anyways, I love you all. If I haven't said it already, thank you so much for keeping up with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.